The first news is about our first product launch in 2022, and that is the new version of the Fast Blue-Green LED box. The compact device is a powerful standalone geodocumentation system and was designed as the perfect solution for smaller lab space. The imaging box contains 3 light modes: our revolutionary blue-green LED light technology for the safe detection of stained DNA, and 2 white light sources for documenting protein geos or surfaces such as petri dishes. You can navigate the system and view the images via the 5-inch color LCD touch display and take pictures with a built-in high-quality 8-megapixel camera. For connecting an external mouse, monitor, or touch display, the system contains 1 HDMI port and 2 USB ports. If you need more information on the system, please contact us or check out our website and geodocumentation brochure. The second bit of news is about the performance of our FastGene Western ECL Kit, the luminol-based substrate for Western blot detection. The 2 liquids of the kit are mixed together and applied on the Western blot to detect HRP conjugated antibodies. We have compared the performance of the FastGene ECL Kit to 2 competitor products. The results show a very good performance of the FastGene ECL Kit with strong, well-defined signals and little background. This shows that the FastGene Kit is the ideal choice for the development of high-quality, luminol-based Western blots. At last, we would like to inform you that we will be present at the Analytica fair for laboratory technology from the 21st until the 26th of June 2022 in Munich, Germany. If you are also going to the Analytica, please come by and visit our booth. We are looking forward to meeting you there. That's it for the first news video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our Nippon Genetics Europe YouTube channel and see you soon in the next news video.